We're now in the bow section of Medallia. So just behind me here you can see the foil casings. So our foils retract inside these casings and meet in the middle. And this bit here is the hydraulic pump that changes the rake on the foils. These are our fuel tanks. So the main supply of diesel we carry slightly forward of the keel and close to the centre line because that's more efficient for performance. And then I have a small tank in the engine which is 10 litres and a little transfer pump, so I transfer the fuel that I need in the day out of these and then back behind the bulkhead to the engine. And the rest of this compartment here is just completely empty. We've got the sails down here because that's where we store them when we're not sailing, but when we're sailing they go on deck. So this whole area is just completely empty, so it's just providing volume and structure, and you can see the structure built into the boat here. So we've got these stringers here and then a ring frame going around the whole circumference of the boat there, and then obviously our permanent bulkheads. Now, one of the IMOCA rules says that we must have 5 watertight bulkheads in the boat, and this one here behind me is one of them. Now you can see there's a hole in it at the moment, so when I'm sailing, if I want to come up here, and the reason I would come up here is just to make sure everything's okay, just to check there's no water. If I've been through a really aggressive sea, I might just kind of have a look around all of the joints in the structure and make sure there's no cracks or anything like that. And then I have a hatch that can cover that hole there, and if I did end up with a problem or some sort of water ingress, then I could basically kind of lock off this part of the boat so no water went through into the main companionway. It's really, really noisy up here when you're sailing because it's like being inside a drum. The noise just resonates and you get thrown around like crazy.